putting a 1 foot of earth above the terrace, growing a lawn and plant, and people will never lose the natural atmosphere at the terrace. They are very much impressed, and even if you visit any of our concept, any of our houses, finished houses, you can even see now also terrace gardens in town with mud. 1 foot of earth we'll put and different layer, a bit of sand and other thing, and we grow exact lawn, bit of plants, making a end line planter boxes. So it takes the load to the wall side, and center will be a lawn and a pebble here and there. Is regular garden character, whatever.
2005ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕನಸಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಥರ ಹೌಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅವ್ರು ಹೌಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈ ಥರ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಾವು. ಅವಾಗ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಹೌದು ಒಂಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಸಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಮನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ರಿಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅದು. ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಮನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸರಿ ಇವರು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅದು, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಆ ಥರ. ನಮಗೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಭಯ ಆಯಿತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅದೇ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ.
So like that I used to experiment. Because of that I was very much confirmed I can do terrace garden. And other than a point is a leakage in a wall side because of the is connected to the earth. The rooms who live really, that room should not leak, should not be stinky, that moisture smell will come. So I avoided earth retaining wall and a room wall separate. Nowhere my room is connected to the retaining wall side. Like that I designed it. And the terrace I solved, wall I solved, leakage from the floor. For that water should, that subsurface water should gradually, immediately should reach to the lower level. That if you make, the pressure will be reduced. That concept where I observed is in our Belur Alabi temples. In any of our old temple, they used to do Kalyani to next to the temples. That is because not just for a water, to reduce the subsurface water pressure to the foundation. So it releases, that water goes to the pond. Then your foundation is safe. See, these are a few concepts, few points we have taken here and there, and I made it as a complete concept here. So finally, this is underground resort. It looks like because you are there in a natural atmosphere. If the same thing, the underground thing, if you do in a city, they say it as a basement.
Correct, yeah.
Here, the impression, and also I should tell the age. Not underground means it never became this age. It should be a old age. It should be a old age means it should be near to the rock age. The age should also say it is natural.